The Coolaroo dog bed is great for an outdoor or indoor dog bed. Elevated bedding solution lifts your furry friend off the ground. Contemporary, portable styling in 3 sizes and soothing shades to coordinate with any decor, indoors or out. Breathable nylon canvas enables breezes to pass through and around to cool your pet. Powder-coated steel frame is portable and travel-ready, and has a user-friendly design. Requires no tools for assembly. No slip rubber feet to protect floors. 5-year warranty against UV degradation.